Hello, in front of me I've got ENGO 2 sunglasses. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with app. In the beginning turn on your sunglasses and go to ActiveLock App. Tab Let's Go, Next, Enable and Allow. Type in your name and Setup. Follow the instructions. Firstly, press the on button and hold for 3 seconds. When the green light is no longer blinking, the eyewear is on. Now, touch the central part of your eyewear for 3 seconds. This is for ENGO 1 and this is for ENGO 2. Select Connect My Eyewear. Select your eyewear and connect it. And it's done. Now you can adjust it. Wear your sunglasses and tap OK. Follow the next instructions. Now, select your activities, confirm, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.